Hello everyone, my name is Sanya and today we are studying about electricity chapter 12 of science of class 10th. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electron around a closed circuit. It was discovered by William Gilbert. It consists of electron in motion. Electricity is a flow of electron around a circuit. You can see in a diagram. There are one more diagram which is explain you clearly how electricity is a flow of electron around a circuit. Why is potential difference important? Electric current will flow through a conductor only if there is a difference in a electric potential between the two ends of the conductor. The potential difference is in a circuit is provided by cell or battery. The chemical reaction in the cell produce a potential difference between the two terminals and set the electron in motion and produce electric current. So that's why potential difference is important in electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the flow of electron through a conducting material like copper, iron, mineral, etc. The device that causes the flow of electron is called a cell or a battery if two or more cells are connected in a row. Charging by friction. What is charging by friction? Charging by friction occurs when two different materials rub against each other, causing a transfer of electron. The material with the greater affinity for electron becomes negative and the other material becomes positive. Like example, clothes in dryer, rub a balloon on your hair. This is an example of this. More properties of charge. This is a properties of charge. 1. Nature basic carrier of negative charge in the electron. Gaining or losing electron is how an object becomes charged. 2. Electric charge in always conserved. How it is conserved? Conserved charge is not created, only exchanged. Object become charge because negative charge is transferred from one object to another. What is conductor? Conductor are those materials that allow flow of electricity through them. 2. They can conduct electricity because of the presence of free electron between the atom of the substance. All the metal are good conductor of electricity and graphite, the only one metal, can also conduct electricity. So conductor is important for electricity. Conservation of electric charge. How we conserve electric charge? First, the total charge in any closed system never changed. The combined total charge of two objects remain the same. Second is individual charge can neither be created or nor destroyed. We can know we are not create and destroy the charges. They can only transfer from one object to another. Flow of electron and current in a circuit. Electron flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. By convention, electric current flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. You can see in the diagram there are current, electron flow, and the resistor are positive and negative. What is resistance? Resistance is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of electron through it. According to OHM law, R is equal to V by I. This is a formula of OHM law. The SI unit of resistance is OHM and the sign. You can see the sign. If the potential difference around the two ends length of the wire is 1 IV and the current flowing through the wire is 1A, then the resistance of the wire is said to be 1. Heating effect. When electric current passes through the conductor, heat is produced. Larger current to more current. The change of energy into heat energy is called heating effect of electrical current. This is electric current. Thank you for seeing.